Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Kia Forte air filter. This is a straightforward task that anyone can do at home with just a few basic tools. You'll need a new air filter, which is readily available, and possibly a screwdriver. Performing this maintenance regularly, perhaps every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps your engine breathe better, improving both performance and fuel economy. Let's get started. Now let's find that air filter housing. Pop open your hood and look for a large, black plastic box, usually situated on the passenger side of the engine compartment. This is where your engine's air filter resides. You'll notice a few metal clips, typically 2 to 4, holding the top cover in place. Gently unclip these to prepare for opening the housing. With the clips released, you can now carefully lift the top section of the air filter housing. Inside, you'll see the old rectangular air filter. Gently pull it straight out. Take a moment to inspect the old filter. You'll likely see accumulated dirt, leaves, and other debris, which clearly shows it was doing its job. This visual check confirms it's time for a fresh one. Now for the easy part, installing your brand new air filter. Carefully place the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. Then, align the top cover of the air filter housing and firmly press it down. Re-engage all of those metal clips you unfastened earlier, ensuring they click into place. Give it a quick check to confirm everything is sealed tightly before closing your hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.